Hello, and welcome to another video on Ancestry, searching your ancestry using Ancestry.com. And specifically, we've got a new offering here, Ancestry DNA Traits. And for only $20 at this time, recording this right around the July 4th weekend of 2021, for $20, you're going to get 35 plus traits. Sent back to your report on fitness and nutrient and other things. As you see on the screen here, heart rate recovery, lactose intolerance, vitamin D, endurance fitness, and it's pretty neat. For only $20, you're going to get over 35 reports on what your DNA says about you. So there's no additional sample that you need to send in for this if you've already taken the DNA test. It does say it may take some time to get the tests processed. They probably won't be available immediately for you. But for 20 bucks, I think I'm going to give it a shot here. Why not? Ancestry recently discontinued the health option here. So if you didn't get in on that, Ancestry Health has decided not to support this anymore. So unfortunately, you can't order all of the reports and things like that you could have gotten with this. And I'm not 100% sure why they discontinued it, but not sure whether or not it was due to lack of business or perhaps some other reason. But Ancestry Health, what they used to call genetic health risk reports, useful health insights, a family health history tool, they wanted to veer away from that. So and those tests were never approved in certain areas. New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, or Guam never allowed this test in the beginning to start with. So unfortunately, that's no longer available for purchase through Ancestry.com. But they do have this cool new offering called Ancestry DNA Traits. For only $20, you can get that report added to your DNA test results. So check it out. I want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. Use this weekend to research your family tree. Start that family tree if you haven't started it yet, and if you have one going, devote some time this weekend to checking that out. You're going to find that it's a great hobby. It's fun. You strike up conversations. I had one the other day out of the blue. I happen to have an extra Ancestry DNA test kit that I shared with a workmate who didn't have the Ancestry test, but he said he wanted to do it. And I said, well, you know what? You don't even have to wait for it. I have an extra one at home. I gave him a great deal on it because I had bought it for somebody, but didn't get to give it to them. So my good buddy got a great deal on it. So hope you have a great weekend. Keep thinking about ancestry and family research, DNA, and hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a ton more videos. So thanks everyone. Take care.